Hi children, this is Miss Yasmin. Today the lesson we are going to do is in your workbook, and I hope you all got your books back because we have a little bit of work that we have to finish from this lesson. So we have finished in the pupils book the work. Now we have to complete this work in the workbook. So if you can turn to page number 45 in your English workbook. Now children, these lessons that we are going to do in the workbook is actually to see that if we understood the lesson that we did in the pupils book, because like I told you, we have completed this lesson in your pupils workbook, food poems. So we are just doing a revision here. So I will explain to you and you can do it on your own, because we have already done this in the pupils book. So this is like a revision to see whether we understood those lessons. Okay, right. So remember, this is the third term for you all. This is the last term in grade 1. So you have to start doing your work on your own. You have to listen carefully. You have to understand the lesson, because this is the third term for you. And after this term is over, you will be going to grade 2. So you have to learn to do things on your own and to understand these lessons well. Okay. So these words, spellings, ER, IR and UR words. Now do you remember I did a video on this? No? So these three different sets of letters, ER, IR and UR words, they give the same sound, no? The sound. Right? You remember we did it. So by now you should know what these letters sound. So ER, IR and UR are the same sound. It's the sound, right? So now let's see, they have given us a small note on the side. Remember, ER, IR and UR can make the same sound in words. So like I explained, these three sets of letters, they give us the same sound, no? So remember, we did many exercises on this. Okay, so now in this you have to write these words. Right, let's see what they want us to do. Write the ER, IR or UR words to match each picture. So now you can see they have given us the words in the bracket. They want us to write it next to the picture. Okay, so let's read the words first with this sound. Okay, so perch, bird, nurse, curb, surf, shirt, fur, stir and her. So these are the 9 words that they have given us. We are supposed to write it next to the picture. Now you can see the pictures, isn't it? The first picture is a picture of a bird. So you will write the word bird there. The second picture is a shirt. Then the third is a cat, but the word that they want us to write there is not cat, no, because this is the sound, no. So we can write the word fur there, no, because a cat has fur. Okay, then the fourth one, who can tell me? This is, what is it? It's a perch, no, I explained to you, this is where a bird sits, no, it's a perch, it's a horizontal bar. Right, then the fifth one, what is the fifth one? We can write her, no, it's a girl, but the word that we'll write there is her, because we have to choose the words from the bracket above. Then the sixth one, what can we write there? We will write surf there. You can see, no, the boy is surfing. So the appropriate word there is surf. Then the seventh word, the seventh picture, what can we write for the seventh picture? We can write the word nurse, no, the word nurse. Can you see there is a nurse putting medicine to the child. Then the eighth one, what can we write there? You can see this person is doing something, no? What is this person doing? Stir, no, the word stir, because we are writing the words with the sound. Then the ninth one, what can you write for the ninth picture? We can write curb, no, it's a curb. So the word that we'll write there is curb. Okay children, now you see you have written these 9 words. So remember that these words are important, no? This sound, this sound is important, and we seen that the words that have this sound. Okay, Now let's go to the second part, B. Finish the story with ER, IR and UR words. So they want us to look at the story and to complete it with the sound words. Now you can see there is a picture below, isn't it? What can you see in the picture? You can see there is a nurse, there is a bird. What is this nurse doing? She is putting medicine. Then just near that there is a pipe broken, no, which is going up to the tree. Okay, so let's see the story. One day a pipe, and they have given us the first letter of the word is B. So what can we write with the sound? We can write burst, no, the word burst, B-U-R-S-T. So you can see the sound there, no, in the word burst. So it will be one day a pipe burst in the road. This made a poor old, again they have given the first letter for the word. What is the sounding word we can write here? The word bird, no, the word bird. So we will fill it with bird. B, they have given us B, we will write IRD, no. So bird falls off its, again they have given us a first letter for the word. So what is the sounding word that we can write here? Perch, no, the word perch. I said it can be a tree, it can be a beam, but it's a horizontal thing. So above the tree you can see the branch, no, it's horizontal. So we will write the word perch because that has the sound, no. So it will be, the first letter is given, you will write ERCH. So the word is perch, PERCH, perch. Okay, and her, again they have given us the first letter for the word her. So remember we have to write words with the sound, no. So what is the word that we can write with the sound, with the letter H? Hurt, no, H-U-R-T, hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt. So you can hear the sound in the word hurt. Its beak, right? Then the next line, N, no, they have given us the letter N. So what is the sounding word we can write here which starts with N? We can see in the picture, no, she's a nurse, she's a nurse. So we will write U-R-S-C. So the word is N-U-R-S-C, nurse. In the word nurse you can hear the sound. In a smart sh, S-H, no, S-H, the sound is sh. So what is the sounding word we can write here? S-H-I-R-T, no, shirt, S-H-I-R-T. So you can hear the sound in the word shirt. Came to help. Right, children? So you can see we have completed the story. So let's see what the story is. One day a pipe burst in the road. This made a poor old bird fall off its perch and hurt its beak. A nurse in a smart shirt came to help. Okay, children, so this is the work for today. I hope you understood and you know these words with the sound. So you can do this work in your workbook. So this is the work for today. Till I connect with you next. Bye.